actually doing a remake of something that I think I made 2 years ago. I think most aprons are made out of like cotton, and I learned why. I love to make things harder for myself, but it wasn't that hard. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Sewmas, where I'm doing 12 days of holiday DIYs and sewing projects. For today's Sewmas video, I'm actually doing a remake of a video that I did a few years ago, and I'm making an apron. So a few Sewmases ago, I made an apron because I cook a fair amount, and it's not bad, and I've gotten use out of it, but I just wanted to make it a little better, so I'm making another apron, and this one is reversible. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, follow me on my social medias, and let's get into it. Okay, for this Sewmas video, I'm actually doing a remake of something that I think I made 2 years ago. I made an apron and I used this cream stretch fabric that I had because I liked it. I think most aprons are made out of like cotton, and I learned why. The stretch fabric just didn't work the best. It still is usable, and I'm actually going to show it on me and like things I want to change. But when thinking about ideas, and because this is my 5th year doing Sewmas, I try to think a little bit about like what are things that either I do really like and I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of, or could I give to someone else? And I cook a fair amount. I sometimes bake. I'd like to bake more, but I cook, and I do make a decent amount of bread and pizza. And I will use the apron, especially when I'm working with flour. So I figured I would remake it and make some changes, so hopefully I like it better and I get a little more use out of it. So these are the designs that I'm thinking. I kind of want to make it reversible. So I was thinking for one pocket configuration, just doing like a pocket in the middle on the chest and then two like side hand-ish pockets. I don't use the pockets on my apron, but I'm still gonna add them anyways. And then for the other side, I wanted to do one pocket at the top, but then a long pocket all the way across, kind of like how servers, the like half aprons that they wear have like full pockets. So that's what I'm thinking. I don't think I'm gonna make the neck strap like with the hook because I just don't really want to, but also I kind of like the idea of if I can tie it, I can kind of adjust the tightness more instead of there's like a set, it has to be this big, because I think I accidentally made mine with the last apron a little big. So yeah, so I'm gonna get ready and put on the apron and show you what I like about it, what I think I want to change, and then I still have the pattern from when I last made it, so I'm gonna transfer that pattern and adjust it for how I want it to be for this one. Okay, so here is the apron that I made. It is not bad, but as you can first see, the neck is a little gappy, and I think it's just because it is too long, because if you stretch it all the way out, it would come to here, but it really just ends up falling. So I'll probably take the neckline in a few inches. Outside of that, I mean, like, the apron is pretty fine. Chest pocket, bottom pocket, the shadow kind of blocking it. So I think I want to do one in the center or on the side, we'll see, and then one here, and then do a full one. I also think I stepped on something. I might make it a little bit longer, a few inches longer. It's not bad, but still just to make sure that it comes a little bit further down. And then I do have the adjustable, like, I forgot what this is called, but this one isn't held in well, so it moves, which doesn't really matter, but on the lowest amount, I feel like it's already a little long and it doesn't like pull the thing in more, so that's why I kind of want to just make it something that I could tie. Yeah, and so this is what I currently have, and I do like it and I do use it, but I did want to make myself another one, so I'm gonna get ready and alter the pattern and start sewing the new apron.
Okay.
I love to make things harder for myself, but it wasn't that hard what I did. So there's a company that sells aprons, Hadley and something, I think. Um, they do collabs with influencers. And I was looking at some of their aprons, and their pockets do like the double stitching, kind of like you do on denim. They're probably using a sturdier material than like the cotton that I'm using, but I decided to do that, and I do like how it looked. So I sewed the pockets on to both sides. I also ended up doing 3 pockets for the big one, where it's just the bottom pocket, because 2 I felt like would be a little flimsy. So now I'm gonna get ready and sew the ties together. So I cut out some of each fabric so that way I can kind of match it to the side, like the color it's on. I mean, you're probably gonna be able to see the other color regardless, so it doesn't really matter, but I thought like that would be fun. So I'm gonna sew the ties, and then I will probably do a little basting stitch to tack them down before I sew the apron right sides together. Okay, I pretty much have both aprons made, and I have it pinned together. So, and I have the tags or the ties pinned facing in, and then like their corresponding color facing, I guess, like those right sides together. So I'm gonna sew outside, and then I will flip it, fold the bottom edges under, and sew that. And I'm also probably gonna top stitch the whole apron. And what I've been doing for top stitching with like um, different sides having different colors is I'm doing the bobbin as one color and then like the thread as a different one. So yeah, but after that, I think the apron is done. I had like a thought a second ago, and I'm like, it would have been so fun if I had put one of my tags in the pocket, and I just didn't think about that, but it is what it is. But yeah, that's all I have to do, and then the apron is done. Thanks for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on my social medias. I can't wait to use this apron some. I've gotten some use out of my first apron, and I'm excited with the pocket placement and just the colors of this one to get some use out of it. If you made it this far, comment down below what your favorite thing to cook is, and stay tuned for the rest of Sewmas. Until next time, bye guys.